Good morning students. It's your revision video of chapter 8 preposition. हम इसमें चैप्टर 8 preposition को एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे कि preposition क्या होती है जो नाउन और pronoun के साथ इसका रिलेशन बताती है। आगे इसके काइंड्स है preposition of place, preposition of time और preposition of moment or direction. We will discuss its exercise. It is on page number 75. Fill in the blanks with the preposition with the options. Insect breed more in summer season in comparison to winter, क्योंकि ये सीजन की बात की गई है इन. We have been celebrating 2 o'clock. Period of time दे रखे इसलिए since. There were daffodils on the bank of the lake. Don't throw stones at stray dogs. He will finish the homework by 6 o'clock. टाइम लिमिट दे दिया कि 6 o'clock तक ख़त्म करना है. They are left for Delhi. We have seen a crocodile in the pond. There will be a farewell party on 5th Feb. He has proceeded from home to school. Look at her, how beautiful she is. He will come to visit you in a week. It is strange that both the countries agree with each other. These prizes will be distributed among 10 students क्योंकि more than 2 की बात है इसलिए among. Can you kill a snake with a stick? I can't part with my favorite car. Second is detect the errors. He boast of. boast के साथ हम यूज़ करते हैं of. शेखी बघारना जिसे कहते हैं. Congratulating के साथ on लगता है. I congratulated him on his success. Prevented from. The annual function will take place on Sunday क्योंकि day of week दे रखा है. We are tied with बंधे होना. We should pray के साथ to लगता है. Archie is honest dash his dealings with his dealing. Ayush has given his house on rent. One should fight for one's right. The bank employees called off. ख़त्म कर देना. He was anxious for. He was sick of. He was sitting beside. Beside साथ में और besides addition के लिए. Chair is made of wood. We should wait for. Next exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. He has abundance of wealth. He backed out of his promise of lending money. Please send for the doctor. Send for मतलब बुलाना. These teachers are very cruel too. You will have to believe. The CBI has access to. He was absent from duty. The thief broke into my house into क्योंकि moving में है. Hitler did not atone for his sin. Next exercise is Mohan was diagnosed with cancer. He apologized to. He had to comply with. He availed himself of all opportunities. He died of typhoid. He was suffering from jaundice. इंटीग्रेटेड एक्सरसाइज है कि एडिटिंग वर्ड्स को गलत वर्ड्स को निकालो. देर आर 8 men in the city who can tell you lot about his history. They are found standing on the band, a strip on the banks of the river that boast of the most beautiful architectures in the world. All these figures are made of. इसके सेकंड एक्सरसाइज हम नहीं करेंगे. इसके ऑप्शनल हैं. Much has been said and written about national unity. More than one conference has been held to. Third one is the result of committee engaged in. Next one is exploring the feeling of unity among students. More than 2 students है इसलिए all these efforts will end in. इसका सेकेंड पार्ट है वी वैल्यू ट्रीज नॉट ओनली फॉर देयर यूजफुलनेस फॉर देयर ब्यूटी ऑल्सो. दे हैव ए वे ऑफ रिफ्रेशिंग द आइज ब्रिंगिंग पीस टू the mind. Perhaps that is why ancient sages were attracted to. Third, a flushed with anger, the husband had no control over. He did not bother himself with the pain of words. He had caused to his innocent wife, having made the excuse of headache to him. She sat in her quiet or corner with her head between her knees and sobbed alone. इसकी 4th और 5th एक्सरसाइज करता है और इसका ओलंपियाड हम नहीं करेंगे.